So next question based on the properties of proportion is this. If 7m plus 2n upon 7m minus 2n is equal to 5 upon 3, we want to use the properties of proportion to find the value of m is to n, the ratio m is to n, and m square plus n square upon m square minus n square. Question was asked in the ICSE 2019 examination, right? So to start off, let's write our question. What we've been given is 7m plus 2n divided by 7m minus 2n is equal to 5 upon 3, right? So again, note here what the terms that we have on the left hand side are 7m plus 2n upon 7m minus 2n, right? So that is somewhat in the format of numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator, which is the componendo-dividendo format. And so thus, to simplify this expression here, we apply componendo-dividendo, right? So to proceed, I say by componendo and dividendo, right? So when I apply componendo and dividendo to this equation here, or rather this proportion here, on my left hand side I have 7m plus 2n, my numerator, plus my denominator, which is 7m minus 2n, right? Entire thing divided by my numerator again, so 7m plus 2n minus my denominator, so minus my denominator, which is 7m minus 2n, right? And this has to be applied on both the sides of the equation. So on the right hand side I have 5 plus 3, right, in the numerator, n plus d, divided by 5 minus 3 in the denominator, right? So n plus d upon n minus d, right? Let's simplify this further. Now on my numerator I have 7m plus 2n plus 7m minus 2n, yeah, on opening of the brackets. That's what I get. In the denominator over here on my right hand side I have 7m plus 2n minus 7m plus 2n, right? Because taking the minus sign inside, this becomes minus, and the next minus 2n becomes plus. On the right hand side, 5 plus 3 makes it 8, 5 minus 3 makes it 2. Okay, let's just cancel the term that we could. So in the numerator on the right hand side, 7m plus 2n minus 2n gets cancelled. Over here, plus 7m minus 7m gets cancelled. And in the ratio over here, 2 1s are 2 4s are, right? So what does this add up to? 7m plus 7m makes it 14m divided by 2n plus 2n makes it 4n, and that is equal to 4 upon 1. Remember, we want to find the value of find the ratio m is to n. So let's just keep m and n here and take the other terms on the other side. So we have m upon n is equal to, we have 4 upon 1 on the side, the 4 from the denominator goes to the numerator here, and the 14 comes to the denominator. So this is what we have. So let's cancel the terms that we can. So 2 2s are and 2 7s are. Now all that we are left with is m upon n is equal to 8 upon 7, right? So this is our value for m upon n. The second thing we want to find in the system is m squared plus n squared divided by m squared minus n squared. So we have m upon n. Let's square both the sides, right? So squaring both sides, I get m square upon n square is equal to 64 upon 49, right? And now I want to find the value of m square plus n square. Now this is what I want to find: m square plus n square upon m square minus n square, and this is nothing but the property of componendo and dividendo, and so that's what I'm going to apply to this proportion over here. So by componendo and dividendo, right? On my left hand side, I have m square plus n square divided by m square minus n square, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator, which is equal to 64 plus 49 upon 64 minus 49, right? And if I solve this, 64 plus 49 is 113, and 64 minus 49 is 15, right? So this here is the answer for m square plus n square. So my final answer now, first part is the ratio of m is to n. We found that to be 8:7, right? 8:7. And our second part, which was m square plus n square divided by m square minus n square, we found that to be 113 divided by 15. Right, so this here is our final answer, which we shall put in a rectangle.